Hello, and welcome to Writing Tips with Rachel. Today I'm talking about how to cultivate what's inside you to come up with writing ideas. Collecting ideas includes not just searching outside yourself, but also searching inside. More accurately, I suppose this could be called developing ideas. We all have unique experiences and backgrounds that have shaped us into unique people. Why wouldn't we dig into history and pull out some ideas for stories and content? Writers are, after all, told to write what we know. Our lives and memories are a treasure trove of ideas. Here's how to unlock and open up that treasure trove. Number 1, start by remembering. I want to begin this by acknowledging that there are some events in our past that we don't want to explore intentionally because they're painful and we're not ready for those memories. It's okay to figuratively block those off until we're ready to approach them, if we ever are. We don't have to talk about everything in our lives, but we also probably have all kinds of memories that aren't so painful. Disappointing maybe, or a little bit scary, or really, really happy. Those memories might be things we did with other people. They might be learning experiences, or trips and vacations, or big events like graduations, and sports games, and band concerts and competitions. Start with these. Think about the things you remember. Are there any memories that contain the seed of a story idea? Something you could build a character around, or a place you went once upon a time that would make the perfect setting for a murder mystery, or a romantic meet-cute, or a horror scene, or, just an essay. Make a list of your big and small memories, and think about how you might mine them for some creative material. Number 2, consider the things that are most important to you. Make a list of the things you care about. Family, maintaining healthy friendships, kids owning their power and remembering they're magnificent, environmentalism, integrity and honesty, writing, running, being fit in general, music, books, gender equality, equality in general, climate change, social justice, homelessness. There are so many more things I care deeply about. I'm sure there are many things you care deeply about too. How can these places of deep care help you come up with story ideas? Well, they could be themes or characters who have expertise in one of your areas of interest. Or they could frame a whole story. I've written books about musicians, kid environmentalists, runners, lots of these, characters who are writers and journalists, books focused around media literacy and gender equality. When we care deeply about something, it's worthwhile to put it in a story or a composition. Our care comes through on the page, and sometimes that's contagious. Number 3, collect your daily life in journals. I know, here we go again, talking about journaling. You might be tired of hearing me try to convince you to journal, but this is yet another reason to do it. You can get writing ideas. When I was writing for HuffPost and Babbel, I often used journal entries as a springboard for my humorous parenting essays. During those early parenting years, I collected all kinds of funny, maddening, overwhelming, joyous moments in my journals. It made coming up with new essay ideas practically simple. These days, I've used my journal entries for essays, fiction, memoir, and even poetry ideas. When I find myself drained of ideas, I'll pick a journal at random from my shelf and start reading at the beginning or in the middle. Some seasons I've been so obsessed with quality of sleep that I'm developing a humorous character who stresses endlessly about sleep. So try it. You might be surprised how many ideas follow just putting a pen to the page. That's it for today's Writing Tips with Rachel. I hope these tips have been helpful to you. I'd love to know how you use yourself or your experience to generate writing ideas. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for videos about books and life, and more videos like this. Thanks for watching.